mystics. Hey there, Cosmic Cowboy here, representing the pillar of compassion and love. The most important thing, you know, when all the edifices that we build temporarily on the playa come down, when the city itself is no longer there, and when we're no longer here, the last thing that remains and the only thing that remains is the love that we share, the love that we give, the love that we are. And this pillar of compassion is really at the base, at the core, at the center of the pillar. It's at the center of our culture. We thrive and pride ourselves on lifting each other up and bringing out the best in one another, and being of service, be giving and serving. And so, you know, I just want to welcome you to Mystic, to making this the best Mystic ever, to making this the best burn ever. And I invite you to open your heart to new possibilities, to the greatest potential that we have in being of service and of being loving and compassionate, and to add to this element of our culture. Aloha.